How to fix rules not working in Microsoft Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and the main reason why your rules are not working is that maybe they are corrupted and then they are broken. So I will show you what you can do to fix the problem so that your rules can work again. So the first thing that we can do is that we can rename the name of our rules. So by just simply changing the name, you can also fix the problem. So for example, right here in the ribbon, just click rules, click manage rules and alerts. From here, you will see all of your rules right here. So you can go to a specific rule, like for example, this one, automatic reply to specific sender email address. You can just go ahead, go to change rule and then click rename rule. And then, for example, I'll just rename this to automatic reply to an email address only. So I changed the name of the rule, click OK, and then from here you can go ahead and check if the rule is working. Also, obviously you need to make sure that the rule is also turned on so that it will work. From here, click apply and then click OK. So if your rule is still not working, you can just go ahead, go to manage rules and alerts, and then just create the rule from scratch. And then you can go ahead and see if that fixes the problem. And then what you can also do is that you can enable the cache exchange mode right here in Outlook. So to do that, you can just go right ahead to file and then go to account settings and then click account settings right here. From here, you will see all of your emails that are signed in the Outlook application. So for example, I'll use this one. And then what you need to do is that you just need to click on change. And then from here, you can see the use cache exchange mode to download email to an Outlook data file. So you need to make sure that this is turned on. So if it is turned off, just turn it on so that you have this. So what this does is that it will also save your emails right here to an offline file so that you can still access Outlook to whenever you are not using internet. And then this also helps in making your rules work because you don't need to have an internet connection every time you want to use your rules. And then once that is done, just close this and then close this again. And then that's it. So those are the different solutions that we can do to fix the rules that are not working in Microsoft Outlook. So if you did all of the solutions right here and it's still not working, what you can do is that you can try to reset Outlook. So to do that, just go to search, go to install apps. From here, you can just search for Outlook. So let me search for Outlook right here, which is this one. Just go right here, click the three dots, go to advanced options. From here, you can scroll down, then you can try repairing the Outlook application. If it's still not working, you can go ahead and reset the Outlook application. So if you click on reset, this will delete all of the data in Outlook. So, but don't worry, what you need to do is that you just need to sign in again to your account. And then that is it. So those are the different solutions that we can do to fix the rules in Outlook not working. I hope you learn how to do it and thank you for watching.